Hi everyone. Not everyday rice. Let's make an healthier alternative to rice, suitable for everyone in the family. Today I made vegetable couscous for my little ones and they really did enjoy it so well. I'm going to be cooking this a little bit different from the regular way of cooking couscous. I would need this to be very soft and just to make sure that a little one or regardless of your age can easily eat this. In the hot boiling water, I sliced some onions and then I added vegetable oil. I proceeded with adding my mixed vegetables to the hot boiling water. And the reason I added my mixed vegetable first is because I need the peas to be as soft as possible. I need the sweet corn. I need the carrot to be as soft as possible. Again, the whole essence of this is to prevent any form of choking hazard. I proceeded with adding my couscous to the mixture and a little bit of black pepper. Black pepper simply because my little one does not like to see scotch bonnet pepper. She'll be scared that it's going to be spicy. But I still want to, introduce some heat to their tongue and their taste bud. I also added 1 cube of Maggi star just to season and spice. I allowed to cook thoroughly. I proceeded with adding some more water. And again, the whole essence of this is well cooked. It is soft. No vegetable is left half done. It can be easily mashed with a tongue or teeth, as the case may be. The next was me adding already cooked, chopped and diced chicken breast just to introduce some protein to the food. I covered and allowed to cook for additional 3 to 7 minutes, and then that's the food all cooked and ready to be eaten. I served this with some mix of fruits for the little ones, which was strawberry. My little ones love strawberries a lot. And that's it. Food all done. Very healthy alternative to rice. Tastes like rice, although smaller grains. I believe there are some rice that has this, tiny grains, or if you overcook your rice, they're going to come out this tiny and soft. And yes, thank you for watching. Let me know if you enjoyed this. By the way, I added some apple slice as well. Please engage, subscribe, comment. Do you eat couscous? Do you like it? Do you find it similar to rice? Thank you.